Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm announcing the hugest giveaway that I've done to date. Before we get started with the specifics about entering the giveaway, I want to announce the new Dan's Restoration shirt. Pretty cool, has some rusted and abused tools on there. If you want to purchase one of these or many of the other shirts, hats, stickers, I think we have shop towels, mugs, bumper stickers, I think some other stuff maybe too, head on down to templargear.shop. Link will be in the pinned comments section below. So thing about the giveaway, if you want to enter the giveaway, what you have to do is subscribe to Templar Gear on YouTube. He has, I think, maybe 2 or 3 subscribers right now, so I want to try and get him up to as many subscribers as possible. His videos consist of music. He makes his own music, and he's also showing some new Templar Gear items that he makes. So if you want some sneak previews before they actually go on his website, check those out. So if you do that, you will get 1 entry ticket. If you go on templargear.shop, link below, and purchase any of the Dan's Restorations items, you will get 2 tickets for each item. So you can purchase 2 stickers, you'll get 4 tickets. Like I said, it doesn't matter whether you buy a sticker or a hat, shirt, whatever. No matter what, it'll be 2 tickets. So that's pretty cool right there. The winner will be announced on next Friday, which I believe is August 4th. So a week from today. And the winner will get a free t-shirt of their choice from Dan's Restorations, from my site. And you guys can also choose whichever tool that you want for me to restore. I have some on the table. And you choose which one you want me to restore. I will restore it, and then I will mail that to you as well. So without further ado, let me show you the tools. So here we have the tools. You guys can pick any one of these. Some of these are pretty easy, just shining it all up. Or if you want to paint it, it's entirely up to you. Some of them need a little bit more work done to them, like this one needs a pin to it because I didn't have one when I got it. This one definitely needs the jaws straightened out and definitely needs a lot of work. So whichever one you guys want, you can get. Like I said, the winner will be announced on Friday, a week from today. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.